chat. Here are you. Jonathan, this is for you. As you mentioned, I thought I would come and make a little visit to the Domo here in Denver. And I've been speaking to the restaurant, people at the restaurant. And yes, a countryman from Akita Prefecture, where I have been to many times over. I mean, this time of the year particularly is key to visit Akita Prefecture because it's got the traditions of the very wintry feel to life. And here I am. I'm sure you recognize this place now, Jonathan. And yes, it's got the log stools, like these ones here, a low-level bench of a granite or a slate slab, which is unevenly cut, nicely lacquered on the top. So I said, does the owner very much serve his traditional Akita dishes here, or is it something different? And it was mentioned that if I wish to try the food of the more rooted taste, I ought to go to Akita Prefecture. That's what I was told. And I asked if the roots of the chef, the owner, had much to do with Akita. Hello. I might just about be here, I might not be, because I was trying to look for something truly Akita taste. Now I said there's a possible chance I might not find the true traditional.
No worries. That's the case.
So so I'm just give me a moment or so. I'm just doing a little commentary here about how I feel about the atmosphere in it, which is perfectly beautiful. Yeah, indeed. Thank you very much. So it is also nice for me to get a feel of what the place is like.
That's
awesome. Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Over here for you very shortly.
Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, there we are. Says one of the servants just come in and left me a lovely cup of water. There's a chance that I'm going to have a little brief look around the place. It's beautiful atmosphere around here. I must say, anyone who wants to have an experience of Japanese cuisine, please do come in. Of course, if you want the more rooted, traditional palate of Akita, the owner's roots, of his taste, of the owner's roots, you ought to go, I'm told, you must go to Akita Prefecture in Japan itself, the northern part. You can take a Shinkansen, Hayabusa, or Komachi to get up there, if you wish, from Tokyo Station.